Guys, what does it feel like when someone manipulates you? It is one of the most difficult experiences a person can go through. Since childhood, our parents, teachers, and the people around us have taught us good values and proper behavior. As we grow older, we learn from our experiences, mistakes, and the challenges we face in life. By adulthood, we already know the difference between right and wrong and are capable of making decisions that are best for ourselves. However, one difficult truth to accept is that not everyone learns from their mistakes. Some people grow and change while others remain the same despite everything they have been through. A person who learns from pain, disappointment, and life's hardships often develops a deeper understanding of life. They learn to get along with others, respect people's feelings, and treat everyone with kindness to avoid causing harm. Sadly, there are times when the most genuine and sincere people are the ones who are criticized, judged, or torn down by negative individuals. Perhaps some people find it hard to believe that there are still those with pure hearts and honest intentions. The truth is that people who have endured many trials and learned from them are often the most authentic. They are like gold, refined by fire, tested through hardships, yet proven to be genuine and stronger than before. That is why a truly genuine person no longer needs to prove their worth to others. Their character has already been tested by the struggles they have overcome. Before the world judged them, life itself had already tested them and revealed their strength, sincerity, and good heart. Thank you, guys.